Stop losing patients to Google, the local SEO fix every dentist needs right now. Someone in your city has a toothache. They grab their phone, open Google, and type three simple words, dentist near me. Within seconds, Google shows a map, three featured clinics, then a list below with ratings, reviews, distance, and opening hours. That patient will choose a clinic in less than a minute, maybe even 30 seconds. Now, here's the question that matters. Is your clinic one of the first they see? If the answer is no, it doesn't matter how experienced you are, how modern your equipment is, or how beautiful your clinic looks. Because to that patient, your clinic doesn't exist. They never even had the chance to choose you, and this happens every single day. Across every city, clinics lose patients, not because they're bad dentists, but because they're invisible online. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens, and more importantly, how to fix it. Let's start with how Google actually works. When someone searches, dentist near me, Google immediately compares every nearby clinic. It looks at hundreds of signals, then ranks them. The clinics with the strongest signals appear at the top. Everyone else gets pushed down, or doesn't appear at all. The good news? These rankings aren't permanent. Google recalculates them constantly. So even if your clinic isn't ranking today, you can improve it. And if you're already ranking well, you still have to maintain it. Because visibility isn't something you earn once, it's something you maintain consistently. The first ranking signal is your Google business profile. This is the profile showing your clinic name, address, phone number, business hours, photos, reviews, and location on Google Maps. Many clinics create it once and never touch it again. Old business hours, old photos, outdated information. Google notices that. An inactive profile quietly tells Google, this business isn't very active. But an active profile sends the opposite message: fresh photos, updated opening hours, quick responses to customer questions, regular updates. Those small actions tell Google your clinic is active and trustworthy. The fix is simple. Keep your information accurate, upload new photos regularly, update holiday hours, and respond to questions whenever they appear. The second signal, and probably the most powerful, is reviews. Not just how many reviews you have, but how recent they are. A clinic with 60 reviews and new reviews every week can often outrank a clinic with 200 reviews if the latest review is several months old. Google loves activity. Fresh reviews tell Google aides patients are visiting this clinic today, not last year. That's why review consistency matters far more than one big review campaign. Instead of asking for 50 reviews once, aim for a steady stream of reviews every week. The best time to ask? Right after a positive patient experience, when the visit is still fresh. That helps both your reputation and your local rankings. The third ranking signal is consistency. Your clinic's name, address, and phone number should match perfectly everywhere online. Your website, Google business profile, Facebook, online directories, everywhere. Even tiny differences, like writing Suite 4 in one place and number 4 somewhere else, can reduce Google's confidence in your business information. Fortunately, this is usually a one-time cleanup. Once every listing matches, you're in a much stronger position. The fourth signal is engagement. Once people see your listing, what do? Do they click, call, request directions, visit your website, or do they ignore your listing and choose another clinic? Google watches those interactions. Listings people engage with get stronger over time. Listings people skip gradually lose visibility. So your goal isn't just getting impressions, it's encouraging action. Now notice something interesting. None of these four signals are one-time tasks. Every one of them requires consistency. And that's where many clinics struggle. Not because local SEO is difficult, but because running a busy dental practice leaves very little time for ongoing marketing. This is where automation changes everything. And surprisingly, it doesn't look like traditional SEO. For example, an automated review request sent after every appointment creates a steady flow of fresh reviews. Automatic follow-up messages create more patient engagement. Faster responses generate more bookings, more activity, more patient interaction, all of which strengthens your local SEO naturally. This is exactly where Go High Level fits in. The review automation, follow-up workflows, and patient communication systems we've discussed don't just improve the patient experience, they also strengthen the exact signals Google uses to rank local businesses. And because everything runs automatically, your clinic stays active without adding extra work for your team. There's a free trial link in the description. if you'd like to see how these workflows are built. Let's finish where we started. Right now, someone near your clinic is searching for a dentist. Within the next 60 seconds, they'll choose one. That decision will happen long before they know who provides the best dental care. Instead, they'll choose based on visibility, reviews, photos, activity, trust. The good news, none of these signals are tricks. They're simply signs of a clinic that's active, professional, and consistently serving patients. And that's exactly why any clinic can improve its visibility. Here's your action step. Open Google. Search dentist near your area. Look at where your clinic appears. Check when your latest review was posted. Count your photos. See how recently your profile was updated. That single search will tell you more about your local SEO than almost any report ever could. If this video helped you understand why patients are finding other clinics before yours, hit the like button. Subscribe for more practical dental marketing and automation strategies every week. And tell me in the comments, where does your clinic rank when you search for yourself? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.